Hi, in this video I will show you how to update HUAWEI WS318 router using your smartphone. Open AI Live app on your smartphone. Tap on the router name. Tap on the show more. Click on the updates and click check for updates. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.